Pile driver microarchitecture, a tuned-up bulldozer, has finally reached the flagship AMD FX processors for improved performance and better energy efficiency. 4-pile driver cores ensure rich, crisp video and seamless multitasking. The AMD Turbo Core technology pushes your core frequencies to the most when you need it. Like all other AMD's Black Edition processors, the new AMD FX 4-core Vishera processor Black Edition is unlocked for fabulous overclocking capability. Great performance is not the only trick AMD has up their sleeve. Vishera processors are at a reasonable price point. Enhance your gaming experience by opting for a fast and powerful MSI Radeon R9 270 video card. It has PCI Express 3.0 and a speed of X16 that enhances the overall I/O processing. The dual DVI link connectors along with a single HDMI connector are provided for better connectivity to multiple monitors that are used simultaneously. AMD Radeon chipset is plugged in to process high-end graphics that showcase a delightful performance with a breathtaking image quality. With support for APIs like DirectX 11.2 and OpenGL 4.3, more flexibility and productivity is gained, plus with a memory type of GDDR5, an interface of 256-bit and a video memory of 2 GB generates more power that's useful for I/O operations. Get a better for your new generation computing in the new Gigabyte AMD AM3 Plus motherboard. This motherboard supports your AM processor, giving you supreme processing power without circuit delays or inconvenience. The socket AM3 Plus supports a wide range of processors such as AMD AM3 Plus FX processors, AMD AM3 Phenom II processor, and AMD Athlon II processor. You can install up to a maximum of 32 GB memory through the 4 DDR3 memory slots. The 3 PCI Express X1 slots and 2 PCI Express X16 slots let you incorporate your various PCI hardwares. It also supports high-speed external data connections with the 8 USB ports, including 2 high-speed USB 3.0 ports. Its cooling system with 3 chassis fan and a single CPU fan optimally cools down the system during the power-intense periods. Enjoy ultra-slick processing with the Gigabyte AMD AM3 Plus motherboard. Speed up your system's performance by installing the crucial Ballistics Desktop Memory Kit. Equipped with 2 unbuffered DDR3 memory modules, this kit offers to manage data within an 8 GB capacity and retrieve data with a speed of 1600 MHz. It is structured with a 240-pin design to perfectly fit your motherboard's DIMM socket. The Seagate Barracuda 1TB is the one drive for every desktop system need, supported by 30 years of trusted performance, reliability and simplicity. This EVGA 430W power supply unit is a cost-efficient solution to power your system. Delivering 430W of continuous power, this reliable SU is also 80+ certified to ensure high energy efficiency at all times. Installation is fast and easy. Supporting 34A on a single plus 12V rail provides more options without having to reduce your component requirements. Carbide Series SPEC-OI is proof that great looks, smart design, and durable construction don't need to be pricey, and that basic doesn't need to be boring. You get aggressive styling, a huge side panel window for admiring your components, and a LED-lit front intake fan that draws cool air directly to your graphics cards. Inside, there's room for up to 5 fans, and the 4-combination hard drive SSD trays make storage installation and upgrades quick and easy. Cable routing cutouts help you reduce clutter, and the built-in dust filters help protect your components. Up front, the USB 3.0 connector gets you up to speed with the latest high-performance storage devices.